Hello everybody. As the winter time starts to come, we got to make sure you have everything ready on your snowblower. So we have a Troy Bilt snowblower here, and the thing I wanted to go over today is the shear pin replacement. So undoubtedly you'll get a stick, a log, even a frozen newspaper stuck in here, and it's going to shear the pin off. Now there's 4 pins and one at each of these things. There's one here, should be one right there, one right there and one right there. So if you find this breaks, the shear pin is going to break before the rest of your stuff breaks, which is a great safety thing to have. So to replace the shear pin, if it's broken in there and it's stuck in there, you might have to take a new shear pin, put it in there and kind of bang it down to pop the old one out. So to put the new one in, you line up the holes. Shove that all the way up there. Keep a hold of it, otherwise it can fall back through. And you take your little clip here, and they'll slide and pop right on. So now your shear pin's replaced, and it'll all turn together, and then you saved your machine. So that's one of the little things. So short video today on that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please hit like and subscribe. Put any concerns in the comments below, and we will talk to you later.